Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Safari and confirming iCloud sync so tabs and passwords carry over. Once done, grant camera, microphone, and location access as needed. This avoids interruptions later. Next, tap the address bar to reveal favorites and search suggestions, and long press the tab icon to open a new tab quickly. These initial steps make navigation and sync seamless, so you don't lose context as you move between devices or websites. You'll organize tabs by creating tab groups. Tap the Tabs button, then New Tab Group, and name it. This keeps projects separate. Once you have groups, use Split View or Stage Manager where available to run two pages side by side. It speeds comparison and copy-paste. Then install extensions through Settings Safari Extensions to add ad blocking or password helpers. These steps let you scale from casual browsing to productivity without losing track of important pages. Finish by customizing toolbar and privacy settings so Safari behaves the way you want. You can enable private browsing or reader mode for distraction-free reading, adjust text size, and use the Translate option for foreign pages. If a site fails to load, clear cache and website data in Settings Safari, then restart the app. That often resolves glitches. If problems persist, toggle Safari and iCloud settings or reboot the device. This resets syncing and fixes most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.